Now, this is a trigo question, trigonometry function. Now, the normal to the curve, the normal to the curve. In other words, you have to find the M2. Okay, you have to find the M2 in order to form the normal equation. Now, and then this normal pass through the x-axis and the y-axis at point A and B. That means basically at the x-axis is the x-intercept, and at the x-intercept the y equal to 0. So this is correct. Okay, this is a point. Then y-intercept is when x equal to 0. Okay, so if you can find A and B, then you can find the area. Why? Because the triangle AOB has one of its vertex, which is the origin. In other words, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, I do not know the location yet, but basically it's a right angle triangle. Okay, this is O. The y and x intercept, I haven't found the value, so I do not know whether is it here, the intercept, or on the negative side. We do not know. Or and then the y-intercept, whether it's on the positive side or the negative side, we do not know. Okay, now never mind, but we know the origin is point O. Now let's do the differentiation to find the M1 when x equal to pi over 4. Okay, so y equal to 4x plus 3 cosine 2x divided x equal to 4 plus 3. When you differentiate cosine, you got a minus sine 2x. Okay, and then you differentiate the inside, you got a 2. Simplify the whole thing. 4 minus 6 sine 2x. Now, at the position where x go to pi over 4, then you divide the x, which is your M1, 4 minus 6 sine 2 times pi over 4, cancel, so it's 2. So 4 minus 6 sine pi over 2, which is 90, which gives you a value of 1. So 1 minus 6 times 1 minus 2. So this basically is the M1. Okay, therefore M2 equal to minus 1 over M1. So minus 1 over minus 2, you feel half. Okay, now we have to form the equation of the normal before we can find the x and y intercept. Now y minus, we have to find a point. Since we have the M2, but you still have to find a point where the normal pass through. Okay, so we use back the same point here, pi over 4. So 4 when x equal to pi over 4, substitute into the equation y equal to 4x, x is pi over 4, so times 4 plus 3 cosine 2 times pi over 4. Okay, just cancel this pi plus, okay, now let's cancel. So pi over 2 is 90. As we know, cosine 90 is 0. So it's 3 times 0, which gives you a final value of pi. Therefore, the point where you have the tangent is point where you have the tangent is equal to pi over 4 and then pi. Okay, now, so you have this point, you have m2, you can form the equation. So y minus pi x minus pi over 4 equal to half. This is m2. Okay, so y equal to half x pi over 4 times half become 1 over 8 pi. This bring over is plus pi. Okay, so this is half x, this plus 7 over 8 pi. Now, oh sorry, this should be okay. So this is normal equation of normal. Okay, now, okay, we have to find the x-intercept. X-intercept is when y equals to 0. So y equals to 0 minus half. Sorry, there's no negative there. Okay, so x plus 7 over 8 pi. Okay, bring half x over here equal to 7 over 8 pi. Bring the 2 over here, so x become 7 over 4 pi. Okay. Oh, okay. Did I miss out a negative? Yes, I bring over. There's a negative here. Bring it over here. There's a negative. Sorry, this is pi. Okay, now, so so your x-intercept is here, minus 7 over 4 pi. Okay, now let's find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is when x equals to 0, half x is 0 plus 7 over 8 pi. So the x-intercept is 7 over 8 pi. I mean it's here. There is b. Here is 0, 7 over 8 pi. Okay. Here is this a, 0. Now, in order to find the, so you just take this height, which is 7 over 8 pi times 7 over 4 pi. So area equal to half times 7 over 4 pi times 7 over 8 pi. So is 749 over 64. Pi times pi become pi square. Square unit. Okay. Is it? This is the value.